Welcoming you all. Today let's see how to prepare a herbal bath powder. So this bath powder can be prepared with very few ingredients that are easily available. I have prepared half a kg of this bath powder and this can be stored in the refrigerator. In case of using it for boy babies, then you can skip the wild turmeric or kasturi manjal and instead you can add vetiver or fragrant roots. Now let's get started and see how to prepare this simple bath powder. So for this bath powder I have taken about half a kg of Bengal gram dal and about 200 grams of green moong dal. Along with it I have taken 6 eggs and about 1/4 kg of wild turmeric or kasturi manjal. Kasturi manjal gives you a nice aroma and gives you a blemish free skin, and it also has antiseptic and antibacterial properties. Wild turmeric or Polangilangu, this also I have taken about 1/4 kg and about half a kg of rose petals. I have bought fresh rose petals and I have washed it and sun dried it. Now let's mix the egg along with the chana dal and the green moong dal. So now separate the egg whites and egg yolk. We are going to use only the egg whites. Egg whites have lots and lots of health benefits for your skin. So one egg white contains about 54 milligram of potassium. Potassium gives potassium helps you to keep your skin hydrated and moisturized, and using the egg whites also prevents aging and wrinkles in your skin. It prevents blackheads, pimples and pimple related scars. So this egg white acts as a sunblock and prevents any rashes from the harsh UV rays. It also reduces the puffiness under your eyes. It removes the excess oil and the dead skin. It brightens the skin and gives you a blemish free and a radiant skin. So this egg white, when we add to the bath powder, you won't get any aroma of the egg. So now strain the egg whites and add the Bengal gram dal and moong dal. Give it a good mix. So make sure that the weather is nice and hot. You need a sunny day so that all the ingredients get dried up well. If this egg mixture doesn't get dried up well, then there are chances for the herbal bath powder to get spoiled. Now spread out this chana dal mixture in a wide plate. So spread it out evenly. Similarly, dry the other ingredients in the separate plate. So rose petals I have added in a separate plate and the white turmeric and the wild turmeric in another plate. So adding the white turmeric and wild turmeric also gives you a nice aroma, and also the rose petals. So you'll get a nice aromatic herbal bath powder. So after 3 hours, if you see, you'll be able to scrape off the egg mixture like this. Scrape it well and flip it onto the other side so that both the side gets dried up well and the egg gets completely absorbed in the Bengal gram dal and moong dal. So you have to do it for another 3 hours, and intermediately you have to scrape it like this. So I have dried all the ingredients for about 3 days. As you can see, the egg mixture is nice and crumbled. So make sure that you have to scrape it well, and you have to get a crumbled one like this, and you won't get any aroma of the egg as already mentioned. So along with this dried ingredients, add the other ingredients also. Our rose petals are also being dried well. So if you crush it, then you will be able to crush it into a nice and fine powder. Add the white turmeric and wild turmeric. So now grind it into a nice and fine powder. Once you have grinded the powder, sieve it well so that in case of any pieces which are not grinder, you will be able to separate it. So along with this herbal bath powder, I'm adding raw milk. So instead of raw milk, you can even use rose water, curd, or even fresh water. So our herbal bath powder is ready. So I have uploaded few more herbal bath powder in our channel. You can view to it. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.